Okay, so interpretation of the defect in RTs. Okay, here the types of defect, the cracks, porosities, inclusions, and lack of fusions and corrosion. These all are the just defects, and this is the reason. I mean, whatever the written in the possible cause, these all are the reason. They don't have to. They have nothing to do with the radiography appearance and all that. Just a definition kind of thing, you can say, you can understand about it. Okay, now what we can do here, we have to look radiography patterns or appearance. If they are dark, sharp, and edged lines, then it is a kind of the cracks. If the round or irregular dark spots, then we can think it is a porosity. If light areas with irregular shapes, it could be inclusions. If we have dark gaps at the weld joint, then we can say it's a lack of fusion. If we have a gradual darkening with the time, it means that it's a corrosion. So these, I mean, these are just the interpretation of our results or the image that we get from the detectors. So with the help of these definition of this conclusion, that we can conclude that what kind of the defect is present inside the material. Okay, now what the advantage and limitation of the RTs. Okay, so if we talk about the advantages, the defect detect the internal and external defects without damaging the components, works on the wide range of the materials like the metal, plastic, ceramics, provides the permanent images for the future analysis. It can inspect large and complex structures. So it is basically X-ray and gamma rays based techniques. That's why it can have the both options to inspect large and complex structures. Okay. What are the applications? So applications are the same. The aerospace, automobile, automotive, oil and gas, manufacturing engineering, and medical fields also using the X-ray imaging, CT scans, and porosity evaluation. These all are here is the extra thing, which is the medical parts.